fucking fly, I think, is in under here and he's biting my leg, little bastard.
Kill him.
I'm gonna kill him, motherfucker. Parallel park this motherfucker. Oh yeah, there we go, I got him there. Hi, who's camera?
Suppose you can handle her and get up beside me?
Yeah, let's see what I can do. I'm gonna reverse her. Reverse. Reverse to first and spinner. A little water there. You taking pictures or what the fuck? You taking pictures with the camera?
Video, man.
Are you really?
You're gonna be famous on YouTube.
Well, I was thinking that. I'm thinking we'd take we'll go get the beers and the Jack Daniels and we'll go up to the river there and get her in our beach bark canoes.
Any final words to say in closing?
Well, it's a pretty good day there. We got a lot going on. Good day around. Yeah.